Namaste, welcome to Zudela. There are only two participants who can buy at the bottom and sell at the top. One is God and the other one is lying. Indian equity market has been flashy since the last 20 years and have experienced majorly big four falls. The first one is 1922 Harshad Mehta scam, the 2002 tech bubble burst, the housing crisis which was in 2008 and the recent one, the COVID pandemic fall. Most of the experts in market cite a logic to the fall once the market has fallen, and it doesn't make money because once the thing has happened you cite any reason but it will not yield you anything. There was something common among the four black swan event if you observe it from the price action point of view, and that can be cited as the box at the bottom formation. As the saying goes, greed is not universal, fear is, which causes the market to fall quick and sudden. But the market doesn't recover the same way it falls. The common part is it will consolidate at the bottom in a box formation, or you can call it the Darwin's box, and then a breakout from the box is a good opportunity to start increasing our position or add new positions. If we examine the black swan events that has happened in India and study them, we will find that there was a box at the bottom formation every time in the four black swan events. I have personally used Nifty and weekly time frame to observe the concluding from the study. The first one is scam 1992. Study the chart of that particular time frame. The fall was quick and the trend was downward, and finally Nifty traded in a box between March 1993 to August 1993, which was a quite 3 to 4 months period of time. A breakout from the box occurred post August, and that was a good point to enter with a low of the box as the exit point or as a stop loss point. Post the breakout, the market has rallied multi-fold since then. If we study the 2000 to 2002 tech bubble burst, the market was falling like it was coming down from stairs, which is generally a characteristic of a downtrend if we study it from a price action perspective. Similarly, like the 1992 case, Nifty traded in a box from April 2002 to June 2003, which was quite a 9 to 10 months period, and then finally it gave a breakout from the box, which was a start of a multi-fold rally since then. And if we talk about the 2008 housing crisis, it was the crisis where banks like ICICI Bank was down nearly 60 to 70% from the peak point. The market fell heavily and made bottom in October 2008. But since we can't catch a bottom, then the market traded in a box from October 2008 to March 2009 and then concluded a breakout from the box at the bottom. Post the breakout, there was a rally in the coming years. Latest COVID pandemic fall was something different from all the three past events. The market slided very fastly down, like 45% in a month time. Although there was a slight difference that the recovery was very fast. In just a 4 to 5 months, the market recovered back. But indeed, there was a box range consolidation from April 2020 to June 2020, which was 2 months consolidation at the bottom if you go and study Nifty's chart. And then there was a breakout, and we have personally observed that since November there has been the market shooting up like insanely. From this video we can conclude that even if we cannot or never catch a bottom of the market, but if we enter at the breakout of the box which forms when there is a crisis at the bottom, we can reap the good benefits. And as a bonus part of the same observation, if you study Nifty's monthly RSI on a 14 period time, you will observe that whenever monthly RSI has came down near to 35 in value, the market has found its bottom in the last three crises. To cite the same, 2000 tech bubble burst found its bottom when monthly RSI came around 35.6. The 2008 housing bubble found its bottom when RSI came to 35.45, and since COVID pandemic fall was a speedy fall, so from this observation also we can find that whenever there is a pandemic and the market falls more than 30 or 40%, and whenever the Nifty's monthly RSI comes near to 35, we can be alert that we can find good buying opportunity or we can start buying. So thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe to Zudela.